In this video, you're going to learn how to replace an inner tube on Brody's BMX bike. First thing you do is go to Big 5 and buy a 20-inch bicycle inner tube. The size you get it from this actual tire on his bike. It'll say 20-inch rim, so that's the size you get at Big 5. They're only $5.99, so this is how you do it. Open the box, gently throw it out, and then it says 20. Make sure it's 20. Open it up. Take the rubber band that holds it together in the package. Unfold it just like that. Kind of like a yo-yo. Then you take the valve stem cap off. Get the rim. Find the hole where the valve stem inserts into. Then you insert the valve, placing the tube around the rim. There's the hole. Peel back on the tire. Make sure you have the open side of the tire off the rim, just like that, where you can push the tube inside there. So you find a hole, open it up, shove the tube inside there without twisting it like that inside the tire, or else it'll blow up way bad. So put it in there. Put the cap back on so it doesn't pop off. See that? Put the cap back right in there. And then with your fingers, open up the tire and start putting the rim in without any twist on the actual tube. Put it in like that. Okay. And then what you do is you grab a hold of the rim and the tire itself, pop it in, start working it back into the on the rim, and it's real simple. That's all it's to it. Then you gotta make sure that when you put it on, let me show you guys this. It's very important. Pull the stem out. Make sure that it's nice and straight when you fill it up, like that, because if it's twisted in this way, like this, you pull it up, the actual rim, the edge of the hole will start working itself into the valve stem, and you'll get another flat. You'll start messing up that valve stem. So you want it nice and straight when you're filling it back up with air. Then what you do is take the cap back off. Find the air. The air chuck, air hose, and then with that being nice and straight like that, put it in there. You gotta kind of hold your finger down at the bottom right down here, so the valve stem doesn't push down into and you can't get any air. So Once you put a little bit of air, see how it's now it's not sinking into the rim. Make sure that your tire's on nice and straight all the way around the edges on the bead here. It's good, looks good. Okay. Put a little bit more air. Put a little bit more. Put a little bit more. Okay. The valve cap back on there. And that's how you change an inner tube on Brody's BMX bike. Hope you learned something. Have a good day.